Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. So like today we're doing puzzle number 211. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 covering these 2 boxes, and I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. And that means our 2 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 6, 7 here, so 1, 6. And that means that our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 6, but we've got a 1 here, so 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. And we've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got that 3, so this is our 6, 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.